Hello friends, here Kranti Ghadge. I am going to present on most important topic of pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Firstly, we see the objective to make available standard quality drug cosmetic to the consumer. Next is Schedules Act 1940, Rules 1945. Schedules to the Act. First schedule name of books under the Ayurveda and Siddha system. Second schedule standard to be complied with by the important drug and by drug manufacturer for sale, sold, exhibit for sale or distribution. Name of few books under first schedule: Siddha Formulary of India, Siddha Vidya Bhungar Aga. Name of books under first schedule: Ayurveda, Ayurveda Formula of India Part First, Bhava Prakashan Charak Samhita, Arka Prakashan, Ayurveda. Schedules B. Rate of fees for test or analysis by the Central Drug Laboratory to the government analyst means price paid for the test. Schedule F. Space equipment supplies required for the blood bank. Minimum requirement or grant of license to produce blood component for whole body human. Schedule F1 first, part first, provision applicable to the production of bacterial and viral vaccine. Part second, provision applicable to the production of sera from living animal. Part second, provision applicable to the production of standard diagnosis agent. Schedule F2, standard for the surgical dressing. Surgical dressing include bandage, cloth, roll, bandage, etc. Schedule F3, standard for sterilize Ublicella tapes. Schedule G, list of substances required to be under the medical supervision and labeled accordingly. Labeled with the word causation is dangerous to taken preparation except under the medical provision, consciously printed and surrounded by the line within which there shall be no other words. Schedule H, list of substance prescription that schedule should be retail only one prescription of REMP. RMP must registration medical practitioner in India. Label with the symbol RX and constantly display on the left top corner to the label. Label with the following words: to be sold by retail on the prescription of a registered medical practitioner only. Schedule M, required of the manufacturing premise. GMP, requirements of factory premise, plant and equipment. GMP means good manufacture practice. General requirements: location and surrounding, free from open sewage, publicly dust, smoke, exclusive salt, odors, chemical or biological emulsion. Building and premise, design suitable for manufacture, operation and maintain hygiene. Water system, valid system for the water treatment to the make it useful and free from microbial growth. Disposal of wastage, disposable shall be according to Environment Pollution Control Board as per. Warehousing area, design allow the sufficient and orderly warehousing of various category of the material and production area shall be designed to allow the production in uniform with local sequence of operation and avoiding the risk of cross contamination. Ancillary area, rate and refreshment room shall be separate with changing, storing cloth facilities. Washing and toilet purpose shall be easily available. Quality control area, lab independently of the production area with separate the space for each type of testing. Manufacture operation, all operations shall be required out under the supervision of technically staff. Approval by the authorities. Document and record, it shall specially the title, nature and purpose and lead out the orderly fashion. Next schedule is M1, required of factory premise for the manufacture of the homeopathic medicine. Schedule CM2, requirement of the factory promise for the manufacture cosmetic. Schedule EM3, requirement of factory promise for the manufacture of the medical device. Schedule N, list of the minimum requirement for the efficient running of pharmacy. In entrance shall bear the inscription pharmacy in front. Premise shall be separated from the rooms or prevent use and should be well built, dry well it and sufficient dimension to keep the good separately. Schedule P, life of period of drug, period in month unless otherwise specified, between date of manufacture and date of expiry, which the label potency period of the drug shall be extended under the condition of storage specified. Schedule P1, packaging of the drug. The peak size of the drug meant for the retail sale shall be prescription. Example, the pack size of liquid oral preparation shall be 30 ml, pediatric only 60 ml, 100 ml. Schedule T, requirement GMP of factory premise for the Ayurveda Siddha Uni drugs for the getting a certificate of the good manufacturing practice of Ayurveda Siddha Uni drugs. The applicant shall made application on the plain proper providing the information on existing infrastructure of the manufacture unit and the license authorities shall, after the verification of the requirement as per Schedule T, issue the certificate within a period of 3 months in Form 26E. Schedule U, manufacturing raw material and analytic required of the drug. Lot of the raw material used for the manufacture of the product and shall each batch to the final product and shall maintain record. The record or registration shall be retained for the period of the 5 years from the date of manufacture. Schedule U1, manufacture raw material and analytic record of cosmetic. The license shall be keep record to the details to each batch of the cosmetic manufacture by him of the raw material used there as per practical sufficient of Schedule U1. Such record shall be retained for the period of the 3 years. Schedule V, standard for patent. The standard for patent medicine shall be those laid down in Schedule V, and such medical shall also accompany with the standard laid down in the second schedule to the Act. Schedule X, list of the narcotic drug and psychotric are X in the red on the left hand top corner, labeled with the warning to be sold on prescription of the REMP. RMP means rate of revolution of a motor. Drug under the schedules, many important under license or permit. Schedule Y, requirement of the guidance on the clinical trials for the import. The manufacture of the new drug include application for the permission, clinical trial study in special population, post marketing survey. Next point is Drug and Cosmetic Act. Silent future of the act. Substantial enhancement in the punishment. Life imprisonment of the afraid involve the manufacture, sale, and distribute the spurious and adulterate drug like causes the grievous hurt. Minimum punishment of the 7 years, which will be extend the life improvement provision for the complete to the affect provision. Thank you.